it is May 8th and it is math time. You are going to need page 113 and 114. You're going to need a pencil, and you're also going to need to get some change, like a quarter and some dimes. Okay, go ahead and get those supplies, and then push pause, and then come back and we'll get to work. All right, so boys and girls, what we're going to do is we're going to be counting by tens, fives, and twos. So you need to turn to your shoulder partner. If you don't have anyone by you, you can use me. We're going to count by tens first. Go ahead and get the beat. Whose partner am I today? Are you ready? By tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Count with me. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Pat yourself on the back. Way to go. Let's count by fives. Are you ready? Shoulder partner, or you can use me. Ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job, boys and girls. All right, pat yourself on the back again, and then we're going to count by twos. This time we're going to sing by twos, so let's go ahead and pull that up. You ready?
My two eyes, I saw two birds up in the sky so blue. Up in the sky they flew, singing the song of twos. With my 2 feet I walked and walked, so I get close to you. So like the birds we two can sing the song of twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Sing the song of twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's how you count by twos. With my 2 ears, I love to hear your voice when I feel blue. Your voice so sweet and true, singing the song of twos. And even in the darkest night, a melody comes through, a melody for two. I hear the song of twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Sing the song of twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's how you count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Sing the song of twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's how you count by twos.
Good job, boys and girls. Counting by twos can be lots of fun. All right, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to practice our clock, because on the back side of our math paper, we have an assessment, and clocks is one of them. It's going to be a little bit tricky Remember what I said, we're only going to try our best on quarter past. If you don't understand it, it's okay, because that's really like first grade work, okay? Are you ready? Our clock says what? 9 o'clock. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15. Our clock says 9:15. 9:15. Go back to 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It would be 9:30. Let's see. I want to show you that. 9:30. So it would be 9:30 or 9:30. Great job. 9:30 at school would be that the whistle would just blow for recess, and Mrs. Loma would be coming in to pick you up. Are you ready? What time does the clock say? 11 o'clock. We're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15. It is 11:15. Go back up. 11 o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It is 11:30. That's in the middle of lunchtime at school. 11:30. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's go ahead and see what kind of review work is on our board today. Oh, I'm going to need some helpers today. All right, so let's go ahead and see. I'm looking for my black marker. There it is. All right, so at the top, we have some smiley emojis. Let me see those smiles. All right, and there's 10 in each group. So if there's 10 in each group, what do? I'm going to write by tens. So I'm going to go, let me call somebody. I almost forgot. Sophie W. I know Sophie. She's really good at math. Sophie, can you count by tens? Let's see, Sophie, what are we going to do? We're going to say 10, 20, and 30. Good job. We think Sophie is super smart. Super smart. Great job, Sophie. All right, now I have some more problems. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to know what is in front. What is in front? Let's see who could do the first one. Hi, Nineveh. How you doing, Pumpkin? You know, Nineveh, I haven't got any emails from you this week. I usually get at least 1 or 2 emails from you or pictures. What's up? What happened to you? All right, Nineveh, what comes before 42? If Nineveh doesn't know, she's going to go to the base number of 40, 40, 41, 40. Nineveh, did you say 41? Girlfriend? Woo! You are right. All right, what comes before 18? Hi, Ben. All right, Ben. I know Ben's like this. I know it. All right, Ben, what comes in front of or before 18? Ben, did you say 17? You are right. Hip, hip, hooray. Good job, Ben. All right, we have another one, 60. It's a little bit tougher. Let's see. Hi, Aaron. Aaron, what comes in front of or before 60? So you say 55, 56, 57, 58. Did you say 59, Aaron? Aaron, you are correct. Let's give him a ketchup bottle clap. Woo, get that ketchup. I have to get my ketchup out like this and squeeze it because I have a squeezable ketchup. Do you guys? All right, here we go. 12. 12 is a special number because it is a dozen. A dozen. All right, Matthew Mercado. All right, Matthew, what comes in front of the number 12? Matthew, go 10. Matthew, did you say 11? You are right. Let's give Matthew a truck driver. Get behind that big rig. Get your thing out. Good job. Good, buddy. Everyone, honk, honk. Good job. When I was a little girl, we used to do that. If we were driving on the freeway, we would see a big truck and we would go like this to them and they would honk their horns and we would get so excited. All right, so let's see if these are correct. 41, 42, 17, 18, 59, 60, and 11, and 12. Did you see how I went back and I checked? Good mathematicians always go back and check their work because sometimes my kindergartners work so fast that they make mistakes. So it's always a good idea to go back and check your work. All right, so boys and girls, it's time to get that math paper out. Let me go ahead and erase this. And let me pull it up for you. Looks like this right here. We're going to do both sides of it, okay? On the front side, it is not a graded assessment. You're going to write your name and the date, and then you're going to say count and write by tens. Number 2 says write the number that comes before. Number 3 says, what time is it? This one's tricky. You're going to need some parent help with that one. And number 4 says add. So on this one right here, you can do by yourself, by yourself, by yourself. Number 3, you're probably going to need some help from mommy and daddy. All right, let's see. Let's flip the back side over. The back side right here says, you have a picture graph. It says circle the number word that tells how many. Here is a race car right here. They want you to count the race cars and circle the number. Count the motorcycles, circle the number, count the police cars, circle the number. This part is the graded assessment. Moms and dads, if you do not complete it, they only get the percentage of the answers that they did answer. Does that make sense? So you want to make sure to fully complete it. Otherwise, I have to mark it wrong. So you want to go to number 1. It says do the addition problems. Number 2, mom and dad, you're going to draw 2 clocks to that time and have the kids tell you. I don't mind you going like this and starting at 4 o'clock and then putting it down to the next time, but don't tell them obviously the time. Same thing with 1:15, you can start at 1 and then go to 1/4 for them. Number 3 says tell the value in cents of 1/4. That's when you're going to need the change. Put the coins out. Have the kids tell you what the value is and just put a C for correct, okay? All right, good job, boys and girls. Go ahead and get started on your math paper. After you do your math paper, it's time for recess. So you can go ahead and play for a little while and get a snack, and I'll see you in a few minutes for phonics. All right, good job.